So one of the special buys you can get at Lidl this week is these bird feeders. They're designed to be squirrel proof. As you can see, it's a tube inside a tube. And I thought this would be perfect to use with my wood burning stove. So here's one of the sections of stovepipe. And as you can see, it's a very nice fit. So if I get a couple of these, make a hole here in the bottom of each of them, and then I can wire them together, I should have a nice tent protector for my Polish larvae. So that's what I'm going to do. So first of all, we'll just open it up and take off the bits that we don't need. Can always put these back on again later. So there we go. That's the basic shape that I want. Now I'm going to drill a couple of holes in here, get some tin snips on it, open that up so I've got a nice round hole. Do the same to the other one as well, and then we'll wire them together. Now you can see there's this little ring here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a series of cuts towards that, and then I'll bend the flaps over so they're doubled over this. You might find that needle nose pliers are easier for this, to bend these over, if you decide to do this yourself. And gloves will probably be a good idea, since our metal can have sharp edges. So, here we have our two bird feeders. They will simply go like that. As you can see with the flue pipe, they'll fit through one, and out the other. Now if you were good at welding or something, you might decide to weld that, but I'm not. So I'm just going to simply use some of this tie wire for tying rebar in concrete. And I'll just put a couple of simple light ties all the way around. Just putting all these sharp edges to the inside so they won't snag on the tent. So there we have our finished stove protector. Just goes like that. And the two pieces that were the hooks for the top, I'm just going to straighten these out, and these can be used then to suspend it from the spark arrestor if you were using it with a taller tent. You just have it as a little hook, and what I'll do is I'll attach them back to these welded on washers, but when it's not in use it can just be folded back against the frame back here. So thanks very much for your time, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing here, or if you want to watch another video like it, try this one out. Cheers!